Definitely go to Clarke Quay for the nightlife and eat as much as you can.
Yeah, so people would chill out there, and they have clubs, they have pubs, fine dining, restaurants, and yeah, basically all the nightlife is there, so it's pretty fun. And there's a river beside it too, so you can just, when you're on a date or something, you can just go there.
Definitely, I love Orchard area, Marina and Marina Bay now, and then for hangout, I like Dempsey. And so many nice places, and it's very fun to hang out in Singapore.
I'm the chairperson of the student committee, and basically we come up with events and we try and do things to make the campus life more enriching.
Well, I eat and I go shopping, and I like to play sports, soccer, basketball, stuff like that.
There is a real estate agent who sort of deals with Curtin. Within the first day itself, I got a nice accommodation, like 10 minutes walk from the uni, and
I haven't been here, so I asked the agent to choose a room for me. And it's safe and good, have the gym and swimming pool as well. It's very convenient.
It's very good compared to other countries. I find it convenient, comfortable, and clean.
Now I have car, I rent a car, but last semester, definitely I have to take MRT and bus. And I can go anywhere without being, lost, so it's very good.
They're all state-of-the-art technology. Our computer labs are well equipped. Our library has 3 discussion rooms, fully air-conditioned. And we have a discussion room that actually has an AV projector, so we can actually go in there to rehearse our presentations or just simply do study meetings, study group meetings.
Basically, the Student Central supports most of the things. And the academic and Student Central staff, they're all very helpful.
The first thing is, I think, the safety. Yes, I feel very safe in the street, and the environment is a clean country with many trees, very nice.
Well, Orchard Road, I guess, because they have, I think everything, like from the branded things or even cheaper ones. So I think everyone can find something for themselves.
Previously, before I moved here, I go back and forth to Singapore for shopping, for healthcare. So yeah, it's one of the, one of the great place to shop, I think.
The First Robotics Competition is a competition which is run primarily in America. We've been doing it here in Perth for about 5 or 6 years now.
A whole host of high school students are mentored by university students or industry people, and then create a robot in 6 weeks that they then take to a competition.
That includes design, build, fabricate, debug.
I was in year 11 in high school, and I just saw an email sent out to my high school saying, hey, do you want to build a robot?
I came in as a student and graduated my way up to now being one of the lead mentors. I lead one of our 2 teams here. I came into it kind of shy, being like, I don't know what's going on. And then once I started interacting with the people here, I realized these people are just like me.
It's also building relationships between high school and uni students, which is really cool as well.
Doing the First Robotics Competition allowed me to work on my practical skills. That was one thing I found a bit lacking, so it allowed me to build a robot. I could design, when I was during designing, I would find a lot of problems that you would not think of. Can you get a tool in there? Have you allocated space for any fasteners?
They have to manage these people, they have to guide them. They're not just telling them what to do, they have to help them grow along the way.
I think as I start to go into my career, the skills that I've learned here are going to be really, really invaluable.
There's a lot of teamwork involved in building a robot. When you're working with 20-something other people, there's sometimes personality clashes, so you have to learn how to deal with conflict management.
It's those human and collaborative and creative skills that are really difficult to replicate in a course. You have to do a real life example of it. There are a number of industry sponsors, and what they see, what they identify is that the students, the Curtin students, they see mentoring the high school students, they see those leadership qualities, they see those management skills, and they can really think, right, once you've finished your degree, please come and talk to me because we want you on our team.
I'd really like to see a lot more girls involved. They're not going to be as nervous about joining because they're not going to be the only one and be outnumbered significantly.
Well, I could split my life in half between before and after I started this program. I've started teaching the students who I once was. Being part of the first robotics competition has been probably the single biggest benefit of my entire life.